Turkey's defense industry has experienced rapid development in recent years. One of the greatest achievements that has attracted global attention is the country's ability to develop and produce fighter jet engines independently. While for decades Turkey relied on imported technology and engines from Western countries, it is now building the foundations for a more self-aerospace industry. The need for domestically manufactured fighter jet engines stems from Turkey's desire to reduce its dependence on foreign suppliers. Experiences with embargoes and restrictions on technology exports have prompted the government and defense industry to accelerate the self-reliance program. One of the most critical areas of the production line is the manufacture of turbine blades. These components operate in extreme environments with temperatures that can exceed the melting point of ordinary metals. Turkish engineers use specially designed superalloys to maintain structural strength at extremely high temperatures. Within the production facility, rows of modern CNC machines operate almost non-stop. These machines are used to produce various critical components such as combustion chambers, main shafts, turbine discs, and compressor parts. Computer systems control the entire metal cutting process with exceptional accuracy. After all, components are manufactured. The next step is jet engine assembly. This stage is one of the most complex parts of the entire manufacturing process. Hundreds to thousands of components must be assembled in a precise sequence. Modern fighter jet engines rely on more than just mechanical components. Electronic systems play an equally important role in regulating engine performance. On the Turkish production line, electronic control modules are installed and tested separately before being integrated into the main engine. No engine is shipped immediately after assembly. Each unit must undergo a rigorous series of tests. The first stage is static testing in a specialized facility. The engine is mounted on a test stand and run at various power levels. Engineers monitor temperature, pressure, vibration, fuel consumption, and overall performance. One of the key strengths of the Turkish jet engine industry is the integration of production facilities and research centers. Engineers continuously develop new materials, more efficient aerodynamic designs, and more fuel-efficient combustion technologies. State-of-the-art laboratories are used to conduct airflow simulations, thermal analysis, and material testing. The results of this research are then directly applied to the production process. The development of a domestic fighter jet engine is a crucial part of Turkey's next-generation fighter program. Future aircraft require engines capable of producing high thrust, high efficiency, and compatibility with stealth technology. To meet these needs, production lines are continuously updated with the latest technology. Significant investments are being made in manufacturing equipment, automation systems, and training a highly skilled workforce. With these capabilities, Turkey strives to ensure that its next-generation fighter aircraft will no longer rely on imported engines but will instead utilize technology developed and produced entirely domestically. The Turkish fighter jet engine production line is more than just a manufacturing facility. It symbolizes the transformation of the national defense industry toward greater technological independence, from initial design to final testing. Each stage demonstrates the maturation of engineering capabilities. With the support of investment, qualified human resources, and a long-term vision, Turkey continues to strengthen its position as one of the countries capable of independently developing modern fighter jet engine technology. This success not only enhances national defense capabilities but also opens up new opportunities for the Turkish aerospace industry to compete in the international market. It is within this production line that the heart of the future Air Force is being built, engine by engine, towards a new era of more advanced and independent military aviation technology. One of the program's main objectives is to increase local content in every stage of production. Turkey strives to ensure that most critical components can be produced by domestic industries. This approach offers several strategic advantages. First, it strengthens the national supply chain, making it less susceptible to export restrictions or international sanctions. Second, it creates new jobs for local experts and technicians. Third, it encourages the growth of the high-tech sector, which has significant added value to the national economy. The assembly lines prepared for this project are designed using modern manufacturing standards. Various production processes utilize digital technology, industrial automation, and stringent quality control systems to ensure each component meets predetermined specifications. Developing a fighter jet engine is one of the greatest challenges in the aerospace industry. Only a few countries in the world are capable of designing and producing fighter jet engines independently. One major challenge is the development of a high-temperature turbine. This component must be able to operate in extreme environments with temperatures reaching thousands of degrees Celsius. To overcome this, engineers use special superalloy-based materials that offer exceptional resistance to heat and pressure. Furthermore, a sophisticated cooling system is required to maintain optimal engine performance during flight. Each component must be designed with high precision, as even the slightest error can impact the engine's overall performance. Turkey also continues to enhance its research and development capabilities through collaborations between defense companies, universities, and national research institutions. This collaboration enables faster knowledge transfer and accelerates the innovation process. The successful development of a local jet engine will have a significant impact on Turkey's national fighter aircraft program. With a homegrown engine, the system integration process can be more flexible, tailored to operational needs. Next-generation aircraft require engines capable of supporting a wide range of modern features, including advanced sensors, electronic warfare systems, artificial intelligence, and real-time networked combat capabilities. A custom-designed engine for a national platform also allows for continuous performance improvements without relying on foreign approvals. This provides crucial strategic freedom in addressing future security challenges. In addition to meeting domestic needs, Turkey also sees significant opportunities in the international market. Many developing countries are seeking alternatives to modern fighter aircraft at a more competitive cost compared to products from major powers. By possessing its own engine, Turkey can offer a more independent and flexible fighter aircraft package to potential buyers. This is a distinct advantage, as some countries often face constraints related to restrictions on the use of foreign technology. Defense product exports also have the potential to significantly contribute to the national economy. In recent years, the export value of the Turkish defense industry has continued to increase and reaches various regions around the world. Investment in the development of fighter jet engines not only produces military products but also drives overall national technological progress. Many technologies developed for defense needs can be applied in the civilian sector, including commercial aviation, energy, manufacturing, and materials technology. This program also encourages the development of a new generation of engineers, technicians, and researchers with high expertise in the aerospace sector. In the long term, this will strengthen Turkey's position as one of the world's fastest-growing aerospace technology hubs. The Turkish government and defense industry hope this project will lay the foundation for future innovations. With the ability to design and manufacture jet engines independently, Turkey will move closer to its vision of becoming a global defense technology power. Developing advanced fighter jet engines for next-generation aircraft is a crucial strategic step for Turkey. This project aims not only to enhance national military capabilities, but also to strengthen domestic technological and industrial independence.